Hi friends, this is your Show What You Know for your Betsy Ross flag section. So I'm going to read this passage and then we're going to answer the questions down here, okay? So here we go. Betsy Ross is a famous historical figure who was known for sewing. She learned how to sew from her great aunt. It is believed that Betsy Ross sewed the first American flag. The flag was designed during the American Revolution and had 13 stripes and 13 stars to represent the 13 colonies. Today, the American flag has 13 stripes and 50 stars. Random fact, did you know Betsy Ross had 17 brothers and sisters? She came from a huge family. All right, friends, so now we're going to use this text up here to help us answer these questions down here. So when you are ready to answer it, make sure you go back into the text to find your answer and either write it on the line or circle your answer. So number 1 says, Betsy made the first American what? Fill in the blank. What did she make the first American of? Number 2, she was a blank. Was she a seamstress, meaning she sewed, a teacher, a writer, or a speaker? Circle the word and write it on the line. For number 3, you're going to highlight, so you can use a crayon, how many brothers and sisters Betsy had. Go back into the text and highlight how many brothers and sisters she had. Another word for brothers and sisters is siblings. Number 4, you're going to circle with your pencil or a crayon again, who taught Betsy how to sew. So in your text up here, find out who taught Betsy how to sew. And finally, Betsy's flag had how many stripes and how many stars? Friends, not our flag today. How many stripes did the flag that Betsy designed and made have? How many stripes, how many stars? Again, go back into your text to answer these questions.